Tired of dealing with annoying flies, fruit flies, and gnats in your home? The Zevo Flying Insect Trap is your ultimate solution. Don't wait. Check out the link in the video description now to get your Zevo Flying Insect Trap on Amazon and enjoy a bug-free home today.
Huw Edwards could face jail after he pleaded guilty to making 41 indecent images of children. Any hope of him returning to broadcasting has also been extinguished by his convictions at Westminster Magistrates Court yesterday. The disgraced newsreader will be sentenced on September 16. But many questions remain about his crimes, including how the vile indecent abuse pictures of children ended up on his phone in a WhatsApp chat with a paedophile. How they swapped numbers and why the BBC Star newsreader didn't go to the police over indecent images of children sent to him by sex offender Alex Williams also remains unknown. Instead, they chatted over text for 8 months in a period where Edwards delivered coverage of Prince Philip's funeral to the nation. Detectives discovered last November that 25-year-old Alex Williams had been speaking with the former BBC anchor and sending him sick images over WhatsApp, passing the evidence on to Scotland Yard. The pair chatted for several months, after apparently meeting on social media and then swapping phone numbers. Ian Hope, prosecuting, told the court yesterday that Williams had sent Edwards 377 images, 41 of which were indecent, and formed the charges to which the veteran broadcaster pleaded guilty yesterday. 2 of the images involved a child believed to be as young as 7, Westminster Magistrates Court heard. Edwards, 62, received and opened 7 Category A, the most indecent images, 12 Category B and 22 Category C photos between December 2020 and August 2021. Prosecutor Ian Hope told the court, the bulk of those indecent images were sent to Mr. Edwards within a 2-month period, and indeed the bulk of those were within a 2-day period, Mr. Hope said. Towards the end of February 2021, the Mail queried whether the children were too young, to which Mr. Edwards responded to say not to send any more. At this point a further 5 images were sent and read by him. The final one was sent in August 2021. It depicted a male child of a younger age than the other images. Mr. Edwards and the Mail discussed the images. Mr. Edwards tells this Mail not to send him these images and no more were sent, although the chat continues. Alex Williams is yet to comment. Huw Edwards' offending only came to light by chance after police in South Wales found his number on the phone of another paedophile. The married father of 5 did not go to the police when Alex Williams began sending him child porn. During the time of the exchanges with Williams, which took place over 8 months, Edwards delivered coverage of Prince Philip's funeral to the nation. UK law makes it an offence to make, distribute or possess all forms of child pornography. It is also a so-called strict liability offence, meaning that the prosecution is not required to prove any intention or knowledge of criminal wrongdoing. But experts have said that Edwards should have gone to the police, but didn't. In fact, he continued contact with Alex Williams afterwards. Just to be clear, if you are sent unsolicited child porn and reported immediately to the police you will not be prosecuted, according to one on the Roll on Friday legal blog. It happens quite often and there is never any question of prosecuting the reporting party. If you delete it and block the sender, but don't report it, there is a very small chance that you may later be prosecuted. There is a child victim at the other end of the offense and, if you don't report it, we can't investigate and protect the child. According to the Crown Prosecution Service, CPS, making an indecent image has been broadly interpreted by the courts. It can range from opening an attachment to an email containing an image, to accessing pornographic websites in which indecent photographs of children appear by way of an automatic pop-up mechanism. In the case of Edwards, he received the illegal images as part of a WhatsApp conversation. Speaking in Edwards' defense, his barrister Philip Evans KC said his client had not created the images in the traditional sense of the word. A number of potential defenses to the charge exist, including not seeing the images and having no reason to believe that the images were indecent, having a legitimate reason to possess the images, or if the images were unsolicited and not kept for an unreasonable amount of time. But Edwards decided to plea.